What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Young Finance. I hope today you'll have an amazing and productive day. In last video, you guys smashed the like button. We have gotten over 5 likes. So as promised, I'll be making a video showing how to use Facebook ads to expand your phone flipping business. If you have not already, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and let's get to it. Alright guys, so here we are on a brand new Facebook account. So I could show you how you could do this Facebook ads step by step. So of course, in order to get started in this, you're gonna have to create a Facebook account, and after you do, you're gonna go to Ads Manager, and once you go to Ads Manager, it's gonna bring you up to a page like this one. All right, so once you're in here, guys, the first thing you want to do is click Create. And you may get confused here because you see a lot of stuff like awareness, brand awareness, reach, traffic, all this stuff, conversions. So don't get confused because most of these stuff here are for drop shipping and for online stores. But since we are gonna be flipping and reselling phones locally, we are trying to aim here for messages. We're trying to get as many messages as we can. And here it says name your campaign. Usually I name my campaign test one, and once you click continue, it's gonna bring you up to this page. Don't do nothing, just click next. All right, now you're gonna name your ad set test one, and here it's gonna tell you message destination. So you have 3 options. Usually, since we're trying to get Facebook messages, we're trying to aim for Messenger. So what that does, you're gonna get messages to your Messenger account, which is pretty much just like your Facebook. Next thing is gonna tell you is budget and schedule. So for the daily budget, as a beginner, I recommend $10 a day. That's the minimum where you're able to still get a good amount of leads. Usually I do $25 a day. Of course, will get me a lot more leads. However, $10 a day is perfectly fine for beginners. All right, and once you scroll down, you're gonna see something called audience. So here you're gonna see location saying people living in or recently in this location. You wanna click this one here because that will make your potential reach much higher. And when you go down here, you're gonna see the United States. You wanna X out the United States because you're not gonna be driving to people all over the United States. You're gonna be driving to people in your area. So for locations, what you guys are gonna put, you're gonna put your local zip code where you're able to meet, or the areas you're able to meet. Like for example, I'm able to meet in Brooklyn, New York, so I'm gonna put zip codes in the areas in Brooklyn I'm able to meet at. Alright guys, so now I put all the locations I'm able to meet. So I put all the zip codes I'm able to meet at, and I put Brooklyn and Staten Island, which are the 2 boroughs I could meet people for the phone business. Yes, you could expand where you want to meet, and sometimes people may come to you, but of course, I don't drive, so there's a limit to how far I could go in some places. Alright guys, and then next for age, you're gonna see here 18 to 65 and up. You're gonna leave that how it is, because you may have people 60s selling phones, you may have people 18. Some people like to exclude some ages, but I honestly believe I just let all ages be because you may get more leads from that. Gender, you're gonna leave all genders how it is. Now, this is the very important part right here. For detailed targeting, you're gonna make sure to add exactly what you're trying to target. So we are trying to target iPhones 6 and up and all electronics, since that's what we're trying to resell. So in the demographics, we're gonna try to add iPhone 7s and iPhone 8s and iPhone X's, etc. So for example, here I put iPhone 7. We're gonna click right here, and it's gonna tell us all the other iPhone models. We're gonna try to add as many as possible. Alright guys, so this is all the targeting I added. I added the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, XR, and all these 7, 7 Plus. And next, what you're gonna do, here you're gonna see something called detailed targeting expansion. You're gonna turn that off, because that is pretty much you letting Facebook use your money the way they like, which we're trying to avoid that. Alright guys, now you're gonna scroll to here where it says placements. You never wanna do automatic placements. You wanna click manual placements, exclude everything. Instagram, Messenger, leave Facebook exactly how it is, and remove Facebook Marketplace, remove stories, remove search, remove an article, and only leave Facebook newsfeed active. And as you guys can see here, it says the estimated daily results reach is 510 to 1.5 thousand, and you can see the potential reach is 340,000 people. Well, to be honest, that is not really true because Facebook does not know exactly how many people are going to see your ads. Alright guys, now we're going to scroll down to where you say here ad setup. You're going to see something called single image or video and carousel. So we're going to stay with single image because our image is going to say we buy phones. So now you're going to go down here, click add media, add image, and I'm going to add this image right here. So it's going to look just like that. And for the primary text here, I put stop. Before you keep scrolling down, make sure to read this or you may lose money. Reason why I put stop and before you may keep scrolling down, make sure to read this or you may lose money is because it grabs their attention. When they see that, they're gonna think, okay, let me stop and read this. This seems very interesting. So that's why I usually just put that in the beginning. For headline, just usually type your number, and for the description, put call or text. Alright, and your call to action is going to be send message. When you scroll down here and you see message template, you're going to keep it on start conversations. And next you're going to hit publish. Boom, we just published our ad, and as you guys can see, it is in draft right now, which means Facebook is reviewing it, and once they're finished reviewing it, the ad will be fully published and you will be able to get leads. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video explaining how to use Facebook ads to get leads. Don't forget to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, comment, share. Let me know what video you guys want to see next. See you in the next video. Peace.